Hello, guys, and welcome back again. Today I'm going to give you some parts of speech in English, the different parts of speech that will help you understand some of the lingo, the language of English. Okay? Please, again, like my page and also subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down there. As always, is greatly appreciated. So let's go. English parts of speech. Nouns. A noun is a word that names a person, a place, or a thing. Here's an example. Boy, Sam, cat, and Paris. These are a person, place, or thing. Pronouns. Pronouns are words that are used instead of a noun. An example, he, my, or yourself. Adjectives. Adjectives is a word that describes a person or thing. Like pretty. You're so pretty. It's easy. English is easy. And fat. I am fat. Verbs. Verbs are words or a group of words that express an action or a state. Here's an example. Go. Let's go to the market. Jump. Let's jump. Jump rope. Be. Be good. And think. 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 Adverbs. Adverbs are words that describes or gives more information about a verb, an adjective, another adverb, or even the entire sentence. The word quickly as an example. Quickly. He quickly ran down the street. Tomorrow. Tomorrow I will go to the movies. And outside. Let's go outside. Those are adverbs. Prepositions are words that are used before a noun or a pronoun to connect it to another word in a sentence. It is usually used to show a location, direction, time, and so forth. Let's go on, in. Let's go in. Let's go in. To. Let's go into. From. Where are you coming from? And of. Of is little different preposition. The daughter of that woman is gorgeous, is beautiful. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that joins parts of a sentence together, like and, or but. He likes to go to school, but he's always late. That's a conjunction, and, or but. Interjections is a short sound, a word, or a phrase used to express the speaker's emotion. Like, wow, well, oh dear, things like that. Thank you guys for listening to this English exercise. Try to understand the English parts of speech. This is just a quick review of the English parts of speech. Of course, again, like my page and hit that subscribe button down there for me if you have not already subscribed to my channel. As always, it would be greatly appreciated. Ciao. Next time, guys, have a great day, okay? Bye.